Look at this. Look at the square, right? This is the easiest target. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at the choker now. 3, 2, 1,
I have a
start.
heavy. Yo, they're looking.
Judy.
Defense.
Shit. Okay, die.
I have stun. 3, 2, 1, stun. Big stun.
Nice.
Come back.
One low.
Ito,
I have.
Look at this guy. The short. I have stun. 3, 2, 1, stun. Big stun. 2 stun. I have my pot here.
Don't get Tifa.
I have stun. 3 seconds. I have stun.
I have E.
3, 2, 1, stun. Stun these two. Good job.
Dead.
We're doing good.
Look at Crazy, okay? In 3,
Okay,
2, 1, stun.
I have nothing.
Oh, that's a good fight, bro.
This one.
Yeah.
I'm chasing Pat.
Clay.
Galit na galit si Wono kay Clarice, oh.
Gago.
Help. Someone man tap.
I didn't record.
I record.
Someone help me here.
Thank you.
I'm chasing someone here.
Where? Ping.
Here.
Oh, that.
Here. Someone.
Ayaw ni Riz. Ayaw inabot niya.
Matap. I'm chasing you.
Yeah, just shit. I'm coming towards you.
You're not one tap.
Wait for me.
Easy fight, bro.
Hindi rin nakamatama dito kami.
Coming.
Bro, someone help them.
Oh my god, kaya mo to.